how to attach any bit into a Makita impact driver. Now, this is a bit holder and it has the hex cutout here. So if you have loads of bits what don't have this little hex cutout, you will not be able to enter it into your impact driver. Now, one of these bit holders are relatively cheap and it allows you to use many different bits. However, if you have lots and lots without the hex cutout, I recommend getting a chuck adapter. Basically what this does is allows you to turn your impact driver into a drill bit here, and it'll let you add any size bit in the chuck and use all your drill bits. So it'll take any size bit what the chuck adapter accepts. It's that easy. I recommend getting a chuck adapter if you have many bits without this adapter here to fully utilise your impact driver. It's only a temporary measure until you start getting all your bits with the hex cutout like this, but that's how easy it is to take any bit with your Makita impact driver. Hopefully this video helps you out. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.